Introduction. Measurement is done to ascertain the size, shape, amount, or degree of physical bodies. It is done by comparison with a standard unit or with an object of known size. Measurement plays an important role in our daily life. Without any actual measurement, one cannot make a correct judgment about the length, area, volume, mass, and temperature of a given object. A wild guess may give an entirely incorrect answer or results. We do not know a physical quantity unless we can measure it. In our day-to-day life, measurement is one of the most useful and important processes. The tailor takes measurements of your body to stitch your clothes according to your size. Similarly, the carpenter has to record measurements of the frame to prepare and fix a door in a frame. Moreover, measurements have to be taken to prepare the grounds for playing badminton, tennis, volleyball, etc. Clock or watch is used to record time. When we learn about different objects and events, we come across quantities like length, breadth, time, speed, temperature, volume, etc. These quantities can be measured and are called physical quantities.